Stop looking for success on a platter. I recently had an old friend get in touch with me because he wanted my advice on a business idea that he was pursuing. He was promoting a genome test service as an affiliate. This service was about getting people's DNA and telling them the likelihood of the diseases that they might catch in the future, like breast cancer and things of that sort. He was an affiliate for the company that did the genetic testing, and he kept a portion of the revenue of the customers that he bought for the company. That's how affiliate sales work. And he had just started doing this, he had made no sales yet, and he knew that I ran an affiliate marketing business. So he got in touch with me to get my advice on how he should go about getting some customers. Normally, I would not agree to meet for something like this, but since it had been years since I had seen him, I agreed. He wanted to get customers online because he said that's more scalable, and he's right. And he didn't think that trying to convince people in real life would work so well. He wanted me to help him figure out how he can reach customers online. And this is how the conversation went. Him. How do you think I can get some customers on the internet? Me. Well, try making some accounts on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook with your brand name and make content about the benefits of gene testing. Build an audience and try to become an authority on this topic. If you can show people that you're an expert, then I think people will try and get in touch with you for the service. Him. Nah, bro, that will take too long. I want to do something that'll start bringing me customers and commissions faster. Me. Well, sounds like paid ads are right up your alley. Set up Facebook, Google, and Twitter ads and run some ad campaigns. See if that brings you customers. You might want to hire a copywriter though, since it's your first time. Him. I don't want to invest too much money here before I start seeing some profits from it. Can you tell me something I can do cheaply? Me. In that case, go with Google AdWords. They have a promotion for new customers where if you spend 2000 rupees, you get a promotional credit for 2000 rupees, so you can spend 4000 rupees. You can run a PPC click ad with 4000 rupees and see if people are actually interested in your service. Him. See, I don't know how these platforms work, bro. I've never run ads before. Me. Google has some courses that will teach you how to use the platform. They're free and they also give you a certificate. Start with those. Him. I don't have time to learn all this, bro. Can you suggest me something that I can do that doesn't take as much time? Well, as you guys can tell, my friend did not want any advice. What he wanted was a way to make money fast and easy without putting any investment and effort. He did not have time to learn the tools of the trade. He did not want to invest any money in his business idea. He didn't even want to put in any effort into growing an organic audience. He wanted success handed to him on a platter. He wanted me to tell him something that involves very little effort, risk, and investment on his part and starts producing results almost instantly. And of course, this type of success on a platter does not exist in the real world. So he was wasting his time and mine by asking me to help him find it. Unfortunately, my friend is not alone in his search for success on a platter. This is a problem that afflicts the vast majority of middle class people. You see, middle class people are in a special place. They are too comfortable to want to put in effort to get anything, and they don't have the money to fast track the process. Poor people who are entrepreneurial, which is a small minority, and want to get out of poverty, will work insanely hard and do what it takes to get things going. Rich people will often have money to spend on their ideas, and this allows them to get started faster. Unlike poor people, middle class people live lives that are too comfortable that they don't have the motivation to work hard over long periods of time. And unlike rich people, they don't have the money to outsource the work either. What most of them end up doing is that they're constantly hunting for what are essentially get rich quick schemes. How do I start making money without doing anything or risking anything? It doesn't exist. People will say, I want to be a rock star. Ask them, can you sing or play the guitar? Most of them will say no. Well, why don't you learn? It takes too long, I will do it later. Tell them you should create a song and put it up on YouTube so people can listen to it. And they will tell you that they can't because they don't know how to sing or play an instrument. And they will give you 10 reasons why YouTube won't make them famous and why would someone even listen to them yet. In other words, when they say they want to be a rock star, they want some big record label to contact them and offer to promote them and sell their music out of the blue, even though they don't even know how to play an instrument and they can't even sing. They want success handed to them on a platter. They want someone to come and say, here is a guaranteed success thing. I will do everything for you, you just have to show up. Many people reading this will have the same success on a platter mindset. The easiest indicator of this is to want results, but being completely unwilling to learn the skills and prototype a product. You need to get rid of this mindset if you want to get anywhere. Otherwise, you'll spend your entire life looking for magic chickens that lay golden eggs and other things that don't exist. Realize that any meaningful amount of success takes a lot of hard work, and that hard work comes with no guarantees. If you want guaranteed returns, you don't belong in the business world and you should just go back to working your predictable job. Putting in the work with a good chance of it not producing any effort or fruit is simply a risk you have to be willing to take as an entrepreneur. For Life Math Money, this is Harsh Strongman. Please click the like, comment and subscribe buttons and let me know what you think in the comments below.